Welcome to Leisha Today. So if you guys are interested in seeing a tutorial on how to make a keychain with photos using Canva and xTool Creative Space, please stay tuned. So first what you want to do is you want to go into Canva. This is an 8.5 by 11 page. I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to type in letter M frame. Grab whichever one that you like best. I try to pick one that gives you a lot of area for your photo to show up the most, because these ones being skinny would make sure you won't be able to see all of the photo. So once you get the size to how you like, then you can do copy and paste it so you have the same exact size of your M. And then go back up here to Elements and type in circle frame. I'm going to pick this one with the border on it, and then I'm going to size it down. Alright, so once you have it adjusted how you like, then you want to add the images. So I'm just going to use some images that are already in Canva. So I already recently just looked at some, so I'm going to use a picture of this little girl. You could put that in this frame. And then there's a picture of a little boy. And then I'm just going to get some flowers. Put that in the center one. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the pictures so that I could crop them. So I put on Smart Crop, and then I'm just going to move it so that you can see the entire face as much as possible on this one. Same thing for this, double click, Smart Crop, and then I'm going to move this one over. Alright, so then if you like how that looks, oh, and then I'm going to take this frame and I'm going to make it white. Alright, so then once you're happy with that, what you do is you do share, download, transparent background, and like I said, you can do this if you have the pro account. If not, then you have to find another way to get the transparent background. And then you're just going to download the page that you want to download. Once that's downloaded, then you're just going to go to Creative Space. You're going to go to Image. Okay, once you do that, what you want to do is you want to change the bitmap mode to Jarvis. I'm going to do this on acrylic, so I'm going to do material as black acrylic. I'm going to click on this photo again, and I'm going to change this to black and white. And I'm going to put invert. So then what I'm going to do from here is, since it's still highlighted, I'm going to do outline. And then you can make the outline as big or small as you want. So this looks good to me, so I'm just going to keep what it has on here, and I'm going to push OK. I'm going to move my outline over out of the way so that I can add the keychain portion. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert Circle. Just make a circle here. You can adjust the size up here, so I'm going to make this a 0.5. And then I'm going to do outline this circle. So then once you like the size of your circle, you're going to highlight them both, and you're going to do combine, subtract, and overlap. So then if you go over here to engrave, you'll see that it's going to cut out that middle circle. So then what you want to do is you want to move this and then I'm just going to line it up on here and make sure that it overlaps. I'm going to select it all, minus the photo, of course, and I'm going to do combine, unite. So that makes the keychain portion. So then what I'm going to do, so once you do that, you want to change the image to a different color. So you can right click and then do black for this one, and it's going to engrave this. So you can see here it says engrave. And then for this one, you're going to change this to cut. So then you want to line this up. And as you can see here, I have the black to engrave first, and then it'll cut it out second, because this is the order that it will do everything. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your acrylic. You're going to place your laser over it, and then you're going to hit distance. This measures the distance from the material to your laser. You're going to hit this start marking. It'll pop up this box. You're going to hit rectangle, start marking. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this corner here, this top left corner, and then you're going to hit this button in the front. You're going to go to the bottom right, and then hit this button in the front. It's going to make a rectangle. You're going to push in marking, done, and then you're going to size down your keychain so that it fits within this rectangle that you just marked. You're going to hit process, close your lid, and then push start. Push start. I'm going to turn on my inline fan. So I'm making this on a piece of scrap acrylic that I had when I made the, what was it, the wallet bottle opener jigs. I just had those pieces of rectangle that got cut out from it, so I've just been using that to just play around with different things. So I've just been making keychains with this, and so I just wanted to show you guys that. So let me show you guys the progress right here. So we're at 50 seconds, and it's a third of the way through. So it took about 3 minutes to get the images all engraved, so now it's just cutting out the keychain. Alright, so here's the end product. So you can play around with the images to see what will work best. So let's see, let's get this out of here. And you can play around also with like the border that you want to put if you want to have more of a border around it. So it looks like this image could have been, maybe I could have did this black background and then had this white, and same thing for this. However, you guys can see if you did the settings just right, trying to get it so that you can see it. Let's see, there we go. So I just wanted to show you guys some other ones I did. So this is the one I did in the video today, but I did a couple more. So my son likes Sonic Frontier, so I made this of one of the Titans. So this can be like used as like an ornament because it's pretty big, it's pretty good size. And then another one that I did earlier. So yeah, so there's different ways you can do it. You could just do big letters, you can do, you know, just one letter, however you want. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed. Take care.